My name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to continue our playlist on NLP, and today we are going to discuss about one of the most important regular expression function, that is match function. Okay, so there are different types of regular expression function, and today we'll discuss about the match function. Okay, so rest of the other important regular expression functions we'll discuss in the coming videos. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So in our previous videos we have discussed about character set, we have discussed about regular expression, we have discussed about find patterns, we have discussed about remove punctuations, and okay, and today we'll discuss about the one of the important regular expression, that is match function. Okay, so before we begin our topic, let's try to recall the find pattern. What we'll do is, like, we'll just try to copy this find pattern and we'll just paste it here. Okay, and we'll compare this with the match function and we'll see like what exactly the difference between the find pattern and the match pattern. Okay, so what I will do is, like, I will try to run this particular cell. So before this, we'll try to import regular expression, and now what I will do is, I will take an example, previous example. I will take it as print of find pattern. So here we'll give some pattern. I will give it as, we'll try to give some input, AA, 2A, 2B, CC, D, and here I will try to give D plus. Okay, and here I will try to run this particular cell. Okay, and here you can see the match DD, and it is present between the span 6,8. Okay, so now what I will do is, like, here again I will copy this, and instead of find pattern I will replace it as a match pattern, and here instead of search I will make it as match, and I will try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now we'll take the same example. Instead of find pattern, we will make it as match pattern, and here again I will try to run this particular cell. See, here you can see it's not found. Okay, see, in our previous example we have taken print of find pattern 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, and here the pattern is D plus and the match is DD. Okay, see, D plus means 2D. Okay, and here I have given the same example. Here the span is between 6,8 and here it shows not found because it's here the input begins with 2A. Okay, so here again I will take the same example, match pattern, and here I will replace with A plus. Now let's see what happens. So now you can see the span, it's the match 2A is present between the span 0, 2. Okay, see, here it will match the exact pattern, but here it's going to search for the pattern. Okay, see, here the main difference between find pattern and the match pattern is find pattern will search for the pattern which is present in the input, but here the match pattern means it is going to match whether it is exactly present in the input. Okay, so here the expression A plus, that is 2A, is present in the input, that is, it is present in the beginning itself, but here in the search pattern even though it is present in the end, but still it shows the output. But here the D plus, that is which is present at the end of the input, so that's the reason it shows not found. Okay, but since 2a is present in the beginning of the input, that's the reason it shows the match 2a is present between the span 0, 2. And here again if you replace with b, again it shows not found, just because it is not present at the beginning. Okay, so this is the main difference between the find pattern and the match pattern. Okay, so in the coming videos we'll discuss more about the other regular expression functions. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.